Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of the Google Pixel 5a 5G phone. The Pixel 5a phone color comes in mostly black with a body weight of 6.46 ounces. It is built with glass front, aluminum frame, and it is dust and water resistant. The display size is 6.34 inches and has an internal memory of 128 gigabytes. It comes with a finger sensor at the rear and it has 3 cameras to the back. And also guys, when recording, videos can be done in 4K. It comes with a non-removable battery and it is fast charging. I have been using this phone for about 3 weeks now and I am loving it. To go along with the phone, I also purchased some tempered glass protector and some earbuds.